Number 27, number 7, Kalubakib. Attacks, pass to Bagiran, madadapa dito. At makukuha ng team. And here's number 10, De La Cruz at De La Rosa. Putback para sa oh, floater, first blood for Team Ilagan.
2, fires for
3, bang! Bullseye!
number
6, floater, that's Balisi. Kalubakib. Raise up and basket is good. And De La Cruz. Launch at 3, Bakani, bang! Sweet pass
inside.
pinilit ni Bagiran, pasok na pasok. Shoutout sa mga idol natin. Ito, pinsan ko to. Nagla-live pala. Kakapanalo ng Team sa mga officers, yes. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kavra Amit 2024 para sa laban ng Tuguegarao City, Province of Cagayan versus City of Ilagan, Province ng Isabela. It's inistilan ni Idol. Jump ball, oop. And this number 4. Pass to number 12. Parehas walang talo to mga idol. Parehas ng standing all to. Oh, floater, first blood for Team Ilagan. Team Tuguegarao. Pass to Kalubakib. To number 8, Butakan. And number 2, fires for a 3. Bang! Ilagan. Number 10, De La Cruz. Pass to number 12. Spins. Number 10, De La Cruz. Launch at 3, Bakani, bang! Sweep! Pass to Kalubakib, pass to Butakan, to number 2. Kalubakib, pass inside, Padilla, kakaldag. Number 2 attacks, lays up, no good. Stop, pull up J. Basket is good. Kalubakib, pass to Butakan, to number 2. Stop, Padilla fakes, kick out. Butakan, pass to Daliu, pass to Bagiran. Number 7, launch at 3, bang! Bullseye! And rebound for Team Ilagan. Here's Pajilan. Derecho, no easy basket. And here's Kalubakib. Matatapikan dito. And here's Kalubakib, launch at 3, bang! Again! And here's number 10, De La Cruz at De La Rosa. Put backdoor inbound. Here's number 9. Attacks. Number 7 lays up and good for 2. Maagaw dito and here's Kalubakib. Lays up and basket is good. And that's the end of the first quarter. Makukuha dito ni number 1 spin. Fires. Pajilan still. Pajilan butata. Padilla pass. Baseball pass. Stop, fire, Butakan, good for 2. And here's De La Rosa. Bato, layup, good, basket is good. And here's Kalubakib. Butakan, attacks. Spins, lays up, no good. Oh, libre. Oy! Pero binalik, buti na lang. And setting the play. Kalubakib. Bounce pass, Butakan. Pass inside. Padilla, pinilit. Wala. And here's number 12, Bakani. Side step. Kick out, launch 3. No good. And pass break ngayon. Here's Butakan. Mapupulot dito ni Ataban. Side step. Oh! That move by natapikan dito. And here's number 5. Derecho. Launch 2. No good. Rebound number 5 for Team Ilagan. City of Ilagan. Number 9. Attack. Sa gilid. Floater. No good. Number 4. Wala pa rin. At this time, And here's Padilla. Pass to Butakan. Butakan di diskarte. Bounce pass. Pass inside. Launch. Wala pa rin. Rebound ngayon, number 11. Oops. Nag-rolling silang dalawa. For the inbound. Bounce pass. Kick out. Launch 3. Bang! Bullseye. That's only 2 points mga idol. Attacks. Reverse layup. Huli. Rebound by Ataban. Padilla. Butakan. Launch 3. Bang! Back to. Nahuli ngayon. Emilis Butakan. Launch 3. No good. Rebound. Nagawan. Side step. That's Ataban. And it's number 10. Maagawan. Pass break ngayon. Ataban. Lays up. Basket and one. Pass inside. Bounce up. Number 7. Nice pass. And here's Butakan. Pass inside. Pinilit ni Baggy. Run. Pasok na pasok. And here's number 10. De La Rosa. Launch 3. No good. Put back by number 7. Good for Kalubakib. And Balubal. Kalubakib. Butakan. Attacks. Kick out. Kalubakib. Sumalaksak. Lays up. No good. Baggy run. Makukuha pa rin ni Padilla. Launch. No good. Rebound Balubal. Fakes. Balubal. Good for 20 seconds left on the second quarter. Kick out. For 2. The net. To Padilla. Pass to Balubal. Bounce pass to Padilla. Wala. Balisida rebound. At nagmamadali. And that's the end. And here's number 2. Pass inside. Maagawan dito. Mare-recover. And spin. Load Bakani. Supalpal. For the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass to number 12. Number 6, Slaughter. That's Balisi. Slaughter ngayon. And here's Baki run. Kalubakib for 3. No good. Rebound. Balubal of the glass and connects. And here you go. Dribbling the ball. Number 5 spins. Atake. Stops. Kick out outside. Number 2 and number 12. Bakani launch long 2. Bang! Bulls team to Gega Rausire. Number 27. Number 7 Kalubakib. Attacks, pass to Bagiran, madadapa dito. At makukuha ng team Tugeg Ilagan. Hali-up, naagaw ni Butakan. Pass break ngayon, baseball pass. Bagiran libre, easy bas. Kick outside. Floater shot, De La Rosa, wala. And makukuha ngayon na Butakan, stops, fire. Butakan. Offensive foul. And it's number 11. Maagaw na naman dito. Pass break na naman. Kalubakib, binitbit, pinasa. Ang gandang rotation naman nun. Pass inside. And find the open man. Launch to. Basket is good. Launch number 11. Dane. And it's number 15. Bounce pass. Takes. Attacks. Reverse tie up. And it's number 11. Bounce pass. Fakes. Attacks. Fire. Basket is good. And number 15 is there. Pinasa. Binaga. Bitawan. Binit-bit lays up off the glass. Easy back. Stop. Upig. Ataban. Floater. Basket is good. Number
4. Number 10.
2 and 1. And number 1. Finish the 2 points. Pajilan. And it's Ataban. Side step. Launch 3. Bang! Out. Number 7. Kalubakib.
1 minute.
Pass to Butakan. Bounce pass Kalubakib. Launch 3. No good. Number 7, matatapikan. Recover. Cross pass. Number 12, Bakani, floater shot.
Wala.
No good. Bakani still. Wala pa rin. Bakani pa rin. Wala pa rin.
10 to shoot.
Wala pa rin. And pass break ngayon. Butakan, lays up. Basket and one. Butak. The backdoor inbound, number 7. To number 10, De La Rosa floater. No good. Put back shot by number 4. And Butakan, attack. Sa upa sa number 2, wires. Wala. Pagilan. Floater. No good.
Our third.
End of the third quarter. And here's Tumir Balubal. No good. Rebound number 2 to Kalubakib. Butakan.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Iniskrinan ngayon ni Bakiran. Fire. Uy, libre. Pakalupit na pa. And here's number 4. Attacks.
Put it up.
For the inbound.
Number 2.
Fires. Too strong. Uy, sakto. Yung parang pass. To number 2. Number 8. Bounce pass number 2. Butakan. Uy, pass to Bagiran. Takes. Bagiran off the glass.
Second.
Attacks. Fire. Oh, short. And for the backdoor inbound, maagawan dito. Kalubakib. Back pass. Oops! Sakti na sa pabalik. The chemistry of Tuguegarao and here's Team Ilagan City. Pull up J. No good. Saves the ball. Pumaldag, tumira. No good. And here's Kalubakib. Pass break ngayon. Butakan. Reverse layup. Butakan. Pass break. Oop. Kick out. Cross pass. Launch a 3. No good. De La Rosa umatake. Floater of the glass. That one.
8 to shoot.
6 seconds to shoot. Butakan. Padilla at Taban. Lays up. Basket is good at Taban.
Number 7.
On the middle. Range. De La Rosa. Bang! At Taban. Fade away shot. Put back shot. Padilla. And here's De La Rosa.
Number 1.
Kakaldag. Number 12. Bakani pass on the middle. Lays up. No good.
Wala pa rin.
And here's Bakiran. Butakan. And here's Fajilan to De La Rosa. Kick out. Fajilan launch 3. Short.
Rebound. Ilagan. Number 6.
Libreng-libre. Floater. Ataban.
26.
Kalubakib. Leo dire-diretso. Fajilan. Oh, butata. Put back shot. Oh. Eh. Number 7. Kalubakib. Balubal.
8 to shoot.
Kakaldag. Lays up. Oh, that's Padilla.
139.
Launch a 3. No good.
Number 12.
Floater.
Okay, yes. 1 minute 30.
And here's number 1. Number 5. Corner 3.
Number 3.
Bang! Balls up.
9 seconds. 10 to shoot. Alubakib.
At tabang.
Rebound, Ilagan. Technical.
To you the result
Brother.
of the
Oh, basket is good.
Brad 2024 Friendship Day.
Oh, good. Put back.
Please proceed now at the
No basket.
Number 10.
And De La Rosa. Kick out. Open for 3. Bagani. Rebound. Put back. And good for 2. Goes 3. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, team. To Gegarao.